As Lee County continues to grow, so does our sports industry. Lee County has become a hub for both youth and adult sports. The Minnesota Twins and the Boston Red Sox both call it home for spring training. As a world class sports destination, it's imperative to keep the ball rolling, even after dark. When Hurricane Ian made landfall on September 28, 2022, high winds caused major damage to athletic field light poles and sports lighting fixtures throughout the Lee County Park system. These facilities have been closed for nighttime use since the storm, which has severely limited recreational activities. This impacted park patrons from playing sports after dark on athletic fields like soccer, baseball, softball, and football. It affected patrons on the courts from playing tennis, pickleball, and basketball. So many events at the pools were also canceled. The Lee Board of County Commissioners and Lee County Parks and Recreation worked diligently to expedite the repairs to the damaged lighting. The department worked through the federal and state processes to get FEMA inspections done at all sites as required for the reimbursement. After inspections were completed, the department worked through the procurement process on a solicitation to replace or repair the lighting. The board approved the contract in August, and work began immediately to minimize impacts to youth leagues this fall. The estimated cost of repairs was $3 million. Final repairs are being completed on all Lee County athletic fields, courts, and swimming pools. Lee County looks forward to opening evening sports back up with the lights back on.